Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn to use extrude, offset plane, circular pattern, fillet, and shell. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the top plane and make this sketch. And here we will create a square with 120 millimeters. And in the corners, we have a fillet with 19.4 millimeters of radius. So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch, select the top plane, select the 2-point rectangle, center rectangle, click here in the midpoint, 120 millimeters, and go to fillet, make a fillet here with 19.4 millimeters of radius, and press OK. Finish the sketch. We need to extrude this 50 millimeters, and we use the taper angle. The angle between this line and a vertical line here is 10 degrees. So go to extrude, select this profile, the distance 50 millimeters, the taper angle here 10 degrees, put minus here, minus 10 degrees to change the direction. Operation new body and press OK. And now we will create this cut here. And to create this cut, we will create a plane here. And this plane, the distance between this plane and the top plane here is 13 millimeters. So go to construct, select the offset, and select the top plane, the distance here 13 millimeters, and press OK. I will hide this body a little bit. Go to create a sketch and select this new plane here. In this new plane, we will create a square with 70 by 70 millimeters. And in the corners, we'll make a fillet with 5 millimeters of radius. So go to 2-point rectangle, center red rectangle, click here in the midpoint, 70 by 70 millimeters, and go to fillet, make a fillet here with 5 millimeters. And press OK. And finish the sketch. Show this body here and go to extrude. The extend type here, select the all. And the taper angle here will be 10 degrees. We made it 10 degrees in this side, plus 10 degrees here is 20 degrees, okay? So the taper angle here, 10 degrees. Press OK. I will inspect this body here. Go to measure, select this face and this face. The angle between this face, 20 degrees. Okay. And now we will make this cut here. We needed to make this cut in the 4 sides. And this cut we have an arc here with 7.5 millimeters of radius or 15 millimeters of diameter in the center of this edge here. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch and select the right plane and go to create project, include project, select this edge and press OK. Hide this body. And here in the center of this edge, make a circle here with 15 millimeters of diameter and press OK. Now finish the sketch, show this body and go to extrude. Select this profile. The extend type, select the all, operation cut and press OK. And now go to create and select the circular pattern. You can select here or pattern, circular pattern. And the object type, select the features and select this face here. And the axis, select the blue axis here. The quantity is 4 and press OK. And now we'll make a fillet here in this body. So here inside we have a fillet with 5 millimeters of radius. So go to fillet, Select this face here, the radius here 5 millimeters, and select the add selection set. And now we'll make a fillet here with 1 millimeters of radius. So select add selection set and select this face here. And the fillet here is 1 millimeters of radius, and press OK. We made this. Now we will shell this body, and the thickness of this body is 2 millimeters. So go to shell, select the face that we will remove, the bottom face, and the thickness here 2 millimeters, and press OK. We made this, and here we finish our exercise. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.